Did you know the Yakuza secretly destroyed Japan's arcade culture? In the 1990s, organized crime clans controlled thousands of Japanese game centers. While kids played Street Fighter and Pac-Man, criminals used these arcades for money laundering and illegal gambling right next to them. The Yakuza turned innocent gaming spots into fronts for their operations. Players had no idea they were surrounded by criminal activity. When the government discovered this massive scheme, they launched brutal raids across the country. Over 10,000 arcade halls were shut down permanently. At the same time, pachinko parlors offered much higher profits than video games, so the Yakuza shifted their focus. Within just a few years, Japan's once thriving arcade scene completely collapsed. Legendary gaming halls that made history vanished forever. Japan went from over 50,000 arcades in the 80s to just a few hundred today. The Yakuza connection stayed hidden for decades until former arcade owners finally revealed the shocking truth. The underground world literally killed the birthplace of arcade gaming.